बेंगलुरु में ह्यूमन टच इदारे के तहत उड़ान स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम का शानदार इनाकाद।
ओके 1 2 3 गो।
बेंगलुरु में ह्यूमन टच इदारे के तहत उड़ान स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम का शानदार इनाकाद। तकरीबन 300 स्टूडेंट्स में माली मदद तकसीम। हर स्टूडेंट को 10 से 20 हजार रुपये तक की स्कॉलरशिप दी गई। 25 जून 2023 बरोज़ इतवार रोटरी क्लब बेंगलुरु में मुनक़द हुई तकरीब। तालीम से तामीर, तरक्की और तब्दीली की राहें हमवार हो सकती हैं। एजुकेशन के बगैर कोई भी ख़ानदान, समाज हरगिज़ तरक्की नहीं कर सकता। लिहाजा वालिदैन अपने बच्चों की तालीम पर सबसे ज़्यादा तवज्जो दें और स्टूडेंट्स भी बुलंद इरादों के साथ, बुलंद अज़ाइम के साथ तालीम हासिल करें। उड़ान स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम के ज़रिए स्पीकर्स ने दिया अहम तरीन पैगाम। मशहूर माहिर तालीम और राज्यसभा के साबिक रुकन राजीव गौड़ा, सेंट जोसेफ यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर फादर विक्टर लोबो, शाहीन फाल्कान इदारे के एमडी अब्दुस सुभान, एबीसी कंपनी के एमडी हारून सेठ, सीईओ जैद सेठ और दीगर ने तलबा व तालिबात से खिताब किया। स्कॉलरशिप हासिल करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स ने खुशी का इजहार करते हुए कहा कि वो पूरी दिलचस्पी के साथ, मेहनत के साथ तालीम को मुकम्मल करेंगे और आला से आला अहदों पर पहुंचने की कोशिश करेंगे। इस मौके पर ह्यूमन टच की बानी तज़ईन उमर ने कहा कि आने वाले दिनों में अमान और आमीना इस इदारे को मज़ीद आगे बढ़ाते हुए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फलाही, समाजी, रिफाही खिदमात अंजाम देंगे। जुनूबी न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
ह्यूमन टच का ये स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम कब से शुरू हुआ?
2002 से शुरू हुआ है ह्यूमन टच का स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम। तब 60 बच्चे को 2000 स्कॉलरशिप दी जाती थी। अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 300 बच्चों को 10,000 मिल रही है।
यानी हर बच्चे को 10,000
जी 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 अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
तो कौन सा फंड है मैडम
ये 90% ज़कात फंड है और 10% नॉन ज़कात फंड है।
तो कैसा सिलेक्शन होता है? काफी सारे एप्लीकेशंस आपके पास आते हैं, कितने एप्लीकेशंस यहाँ पर आए थे? इनमें 300 का सिलेक्शन हुआ है।
हाँ, नहीं जो है ऑनलाइन पे अप्लाई करते हैं, फिर हम उनसे इंटरव्यू भी करके मार्क्स भी चेक करते हैं, परफॉर्मेंस, उनकी कैपेबिलिटी, ड्रीम्स क्या है और ज़कात एलिजिबिलिटी चेक करके देते हैं। और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बेस्ट कॉलेजेस में पढ़ रहे हैं बच्चे, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में, प्रेसिडेंसी यूनिवर्सिटी, सेंट जोसेफ्स कॉलेज। और हम कॉलेज की मैनेजमेंट को बोलते हैं कि जो एलिजिबल बच्चे हैं चूज करके हमें दें।
मुस्लिम्स के अलावा चंद नॉन मुस्लिम स्टूडेंट्स भी यहाँ
जी
पर हैं।
जी बिल्कुल।
कैसा ये प्रोग्राम होता है आपका?
नहीं, ये जरूरी है कि हर बच्चे को हम मदद करें।
इस पूरी खिदमत का क्या मकसद होता है?
अल्लाह की खुशनुदी के लिए हम काम करते हैं और हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो हमारे बच्चे, हमारे कौम के बच्चे बढ़ के आगे आए और हर फील्ड में वो बेस्ट रहे।
तो यानी कि समाज में तब्दीली आनी चाहिए, तरक्की होनी चाहिए, ये
जरूर
इसका मकसद
जरूर जरूर।
और जो बेंगलुरु एक बड़ा सिटी है और भी शहरों में इस तरह की खिदमत होनी चाहिए।
जरूर होना चाहिए और जो हम कर रहे हैं वो भी बहुत कम है, इसे 10 गुना काम करना चाहिए हमें। मेरी ये उम्मीद है कि आइंदा अमान, आमीना और जो न्यू टीम है इसे ज्यादा काम करेंगे।
सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह वो इस तरह के प्रोग्राम करें?
सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को मैं बोलूंगी कि बाहर आके देखें कि कौम में बच्चे कहाँ कैसे कंडीशन में पढ़ रहे हैं और इम्प्रूव करें और बच्चों की मोटिवेट करें, गाइडेंस करें बच्चों को। और
खासतौर पर स्कॉलरशिप जैसी स्कीम इम्प्लीमेंट
करें या खुद अपने खुद कॉलेजेस खोल लें जहाँ पे बच्चे फ्री पढ़ेंगे या मुनासिब रेट में पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि आजकल फीस बहुत हाई है और बच्चों के को ये फीस देना नहीं होता।
अंजुम फातिमा, मैं शांति निकेतन कॉलेज में पढ़ रही हूँ। मैं बीकॉम फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ। मेरा 85% था। तंजीम आपा ने मेरी मदद की है, उनका बहुत बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया अदा।
कितनी स्कॉलरशिप दी गई?
10,000।
क्या बनना चाह रही हैं आप?
मैं M.Com के बाद M.Phil करना चाहती हूँ।
व्हाट इज योर फ्यूचर एम? व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम?
मुझे एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है।
Yeah, okay. This is what are you studying with us? She lives in Govindpur. What is her name, beta? Mehrad Sultana. Say, her name is Mehrad Sultana. She lives in Govindpur. She is doing her BUMS, and her mother is a member of the Lifeline Foundation Trust. So she had applied for scholarship from us, and we have sponsored her books this year.
ये आपको
I've received a scholarship of 10,000 rupees, and I also got books. Like they promised me to give the books for this course. And I thank Humane Touch for supporting me. Thank you.
So what you want to become?
Since I'm pursuing a medical, like I'm a bachelor of Unani medicine and surgery. Presently, I'm in final year, and inshallah, I'm thinking of doing PG, post graduation under surgery.
She has got distinction in her second PUC. She came to me for scholarship. She had taken admission in a small college. So we have motivated her, guided her. Now she is going to St. Anne's for degree college. And Alhamdulillah, the whole fees has been sponsored through our trust and the Muslim orphanage.
Thank you.
Yes.
for Lifeline Udaan.
Yes.
And she is very talented. She is very artistic. She does a lot of graphic work. So she has applied for a computer, for a laptop, and we will be giving that soon.
Thank you so much.
How much scholarship you got?
20,000 last year I got.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद मुंतजिम है। मैं फाइनल ईयर बीकॉम कर रहा हूँ। मुझे 10,000 रुपीज़ सैंक्शन हुआ है। ये 10,000 रुपीज़ मेरे फाइनेंशियल एड में मुझे बहुत हेल्प करेगा मेरी स्टडीज़ के लिए। मुझे इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत थी। आज मैं फाइनल ईयर में हूँ। आज मेरा एग्ज़ाम अप्रोच होने वाला है। इससे मैं ह्यूमन टच को बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे सेलेक्ट किया और मुझे इस अमाउंट को मुझे सैंक्शन किया। थैंक यू।
कितनी स्कॉलरशिप दे?
10,000 रुपीज़।
क्या करते हैं आपके वालिद साहब?
ऑटो ड्राइवर।
तो क्या बनना चाह रहे हैं आप?
मैं MBA कर एक MNC कंपनी में एक अच्छी HR पोजीशन करना चाहता हूँ।
Hello everyone, myself Simran, studying from BCom final year. Actually, I've got this scholarship from Humane Touch of 10,000 rupees. It is very worthful for me, and they have helped me from many ways. From my childhood, I have been receiving this scholarship. Because of the Humane Touch, I am able to study as long as I can. And thank you for the Humane Touch. I would like to thank to all the members of the Humane Touch to support me and motivate me in my further studies. Thank you.
क्या करते हैं आपके वालिद साहब?
My father is an auto driver, and I have a brother and a sister who is already studying, so they have helped me with my financial stuffs. So I would like to thank all the members of the Humane Touch. Thank you for
What is
helping
your
me.
aim?
I have a dream college of joining IIMB. It is the Indian Institute of Management in Bangalore. It is a very tough college, but I would like to challenge myself to get into that, and for that Humane Touch is a very supportive system for me to help with that. Thank you.
ये और क्या पढ़ रही हैं आप?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rida Fatima. I'm studying in Al-Amin College. I have took up BA plus LLB. I get to know about this scholarship. I got 15,000 scholarship. It is very thankful to get this scholarship for me. We are not financially that much good,
क्या
but
करते हैं आपके वालिद साहब?
civil bus conductor.
हाँ। तो कितनी खुशी हो रही है कि मदद भी है आपको ये काम? ये
I'm
scholarship
very
काम
happy
आएगी आपको?
today. I can't express my feelings. Thank you.
ये आज आप
My name is Manasa. I'm from St. Joseph's University in my third year degree in BCom, and I'm very grateful for this scholarship as it has helped me cover my fees and other expenses related to my studies. So I thank Humane Touch for this scholarship.
यस।
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम अरबिया तंजीम है। मैं थर्ड ईयर में BCom में पढ़ रही हूँ और सेंट जोसेफ कॉलेज में पढ़ रही हूँ। थैंक यू ह्यूमन टच फॉर द स्कॉलरशिप। आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू रिसीव दिस स्कॉलरशिप एंड आई होप आई मे गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी द सेम। थैंक यू।
यस।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Razik. I am from St. Joseph College pursuing my final year BCom. This is the second time I am getting my scholarship from Udaan. And today I was very happy listening from Mr. Subhan sir, like even for civil service also they will guide us, and how Mr. Aman said told like for they provide career placement opportunities also. So I thank them for providing me the scholarship. Hope inshallah next year also I try to apply or get a
क्या
scholarship.
करते हैं आपके वालिद साहब?
हमारे वालिद साहब कार ड्राइवर हैं।
तो आप क्या बनना चाह रहे हैं?
इंशाल्लाह मेरा इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर का प्लान है, इंशाल्लाह वो अचीव करने का प्लान है इंशाल्लाह.
I'm Aisha Siddiqa. I'm really grateful to receiving this Humane Touch Scholarship. This will really help me complete my education and clear all my due fees. Thank you so much. And it's my dream to work in a MNC company as HR manager. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you.
बताइए कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं आप?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू जी, आपके देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है। और इस बच्चों के लिए भी अल्लाह हर कदम पर कामयाब दे। हमारा घड़ी का सर्विस सेंटर है और चामरी वाच सेंटर का इंशाल्लाह सबके अल्लाह कामयाब देंगे। हर मुश्किल आसान करें, अल्लाह हर बच्चा कामयाब देंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
My name is Akmal Sharif. I'm really happy to get this scholarship by Udaan. I'm really thankful for Humane Touch. Thanks for it.
How much scholarship you got?
Yeah, 20,000.
So what is your father doing and what is your
My father is dead. Yeah. I'm a.
You are alone?
Yeah, I'm alone.
So what is your aim? What you want to become?
Yeah, I want to become a software developer, and I want to help those people like the Humane Touch. I will become inshallah, I will become a trustee. Thanks.
Background कैसे हैं ज़्यादा?
Background majority are from the minority communities. Some of them are from socio-economic background which is low. Orphans भी बहुत ज़्यादा है और 75% women scholarship हम लोग ने ये टाइम दिया है। उनके लिए स्पेशल फोकस करके हम लोग फोकस किया।
तो आज आपको मैडम ने एक खुसूसी जिम्मेदारी दी है, क्या है?
तो आज हमारा ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी था कि हम लोग ने आगे लेके जाना है हम लोग को ट्रस्ट को। तो यही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि जो भी हमारे पिछले काम है उसे कंटिन्यू करके जाना है और भी बढ़ाना है, यही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो गया।
तो इस पूरी खिदमत का क्या मकसद है आपका?
पूरी खिदमत का यही मकसद है कि अल्लाह को राज़ी करना और जितने भी हमारे सोसाइटी में लोग दूसरे तबकों से हैं उन सबको उठाने के लिए हमारा मकसद है। तो वही हमारा मकसद है
स्कॉलरशिप क्यों शुरू की?
तो उड़ान स्कॉलरशिप हमने इसका एहतमाम 2002 से शुरू हुआ है और हमने ये नाम अभी दिया है क्योंकि हम लोग को बच्चों को उम्मीद देनी है कि आप उड़ सकते हो, आप आसमान छू सकते हो। तो वही हमारी ये इनके लिए मोटिवेशन है, तो इसलिए उड़ान का नाम हम लोग ने दिया है। और
यानी कि आप चाहते हैं कि जो बैकग्राउंड जो गरीब बच्चे हैं वो आला से आला
मकाम हासिल करें और वो उनके लिए कोई भी चीज़ लिमिट नहीं है। उनके लिए आसमान आपके लिए खुला है, आप जिधर चाहे जाएं, जो चाहे पढ़े, हम लोग आपके पीछे सपोर्ट करने के लिए, वही हमारा मैसेज है।
फिरदौस बानू, सईदा रिदा रहमान, we have Aisha Siddiqa from the HDB. Muskan R from the Infant Jesus Evening College.
On its own. So I'd like to request Professor Rajiv Gada to please come ahead and address the audience.
All the winners of the wonderful scholarships and prizes that have been awarded today, I'm very, very happy to be spending some time with all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate Taleem Umar and her initiative of setting up the Humane Touch Foundation and focusing on education. If you think about education, all of us are born with certain talents and capabilities. In 1740, that's the background of the institution. My younger brother, who is Taleem's brother, Asim Umar's classmate from school, my younger brother went to Bengaluru Medical College, Harvard University, and is an oncologist in Miami. Did we get there just by chance? No. If you go to, some years ago, I was in my village when my aunt had passed away, and when we were burying her, I was looking. I have cousins who are still farmers in my village, 100 kilometers away. But many, many years ago, when a veterinary doctor visited my village, my late uncle was a very bright youngster, and he said, why is this person not in college? And so he said, let him come stay with me and then go on to college, etc. So that uncle of mine went on to be a major freedom fighter, leader of the Quit India movement in Maharaja's College, Mysore, went on to become a union minister founded the dairy movement in Karnataka, and essentially created an opportunity not only for my father, who became Speaker of the Assembly here, but also for the next generation to go out to the very best institutions around the world. That's the kind of mobility and opportunity that education can offer people. And that's why I'm getting a bit emotional, but the point is, that's why I'm here, right? That's the point. Otherwise, I would also be farming in my village. Anyway, let that be. The basic thing is, have I stopped just by enjoying the benefits of this? No, I'm also trying in different ways to contribute. Through my NGO called Research in India, over the years we've worked on 2 or 3 kinds of interventions with youngsters, which I thought I should suggest to you all, because that adds value in other ways. One is that we would conduct career guidance events for school children, high school children, and once we did one event on International Women's Day for NMT College called Women, Work and the World Beyond, where we only brought in outstanding women from different professions to come and talk about their careers, their lives, and the pathways through which they've moved on and made a difference. Because there's nothing like seeing role models right in front of you. Because if you have mental barriers, you don't think it's possible for you. When you see someone like you who has achieved something, then those barriers get shattered and you become inspired to go out there and do something. Okay?
I want to thank the organizer of this Humane Touch, because one of the gifts we can give to humanity is education. Wisdom comes from God, which we share with others. It cannot be hidden, but should be shared. Secondly, whenever people come to me, especially minorities, I tell them, the only future for you is through education. If there is education, no one can steal it from you and will make your future, your life. We see the situation across the world today, especially in our country. Just look at Manipur, what suddenly is on war. The only way for future is education. I remember when I was doing admissions a couple of years ago, one person walked into the office and he told me, "Father, I want this son of mine to be educated here because I know he is a future, not in this country but elsewhere, but he has a future. But through education." Immediately I admitted him and said, "Wherever your God needs in this world, go, but get educated." So there are times in our lives, dear students, we are lethargic, don't study, don't get good grades, right? But I'm telling you this, if you want a bright future, study now. I tell our students, the first say, if you want to enjoy your life, okay, work hard now. Then you can enjoy your life. Work really hard day and night when you're studying, and you'll enjoy life. If you think that you enjoy life now, you'll suffer throughout your life. Therefore, study. Study well. Okay, and enjoy your studies. And whatever has been given to you, especially to scholarships, please make it a bit. One more thing I will tell you is this. Not only this scholarship, lot of minority scholarships from minority part of Karnataka, from other scholarships from across the country are available. Please apply, make use of it. Therefore, if you are really good at studies, you need to depend on your parents. Through scholarships, to education loan and study. Therefore, I congratulate all the scholars who have received scholarships. Those who have not received, please apply minority scholarships, others will get it. But more than that, study very hard and carve a proud, bright future for you and your families. Thank you very much. Salam alaikum.
Provided you decide on your own that you want to do something great in your life. He has to first start dreaming big. As this year the result had come, NEET 2023 result. You cannot imagine what I am talking about. You go and check in Bangalore, in the history of Bangalore, anybody has got 680 marks or whatever. This boy secured 680 marks in NEET this year. And this boy is going to study not number one medical college, number one medical college of the country. In AIMS Medical College is going to study, inshallah. And even today the father is still undergoing the same challenges. पता नहीं बच्चे का एडमिशन कैसा होगा सर, घर अहलिया भी उनकी पढ़ाती हैं, कोई मदरसे में थोड़ा बहुत कमाने की फिक्र में, but their challenges are very different. I said don't worry, अल्लाह यहाँ तक लेके आया, इसके आगे नहीं ले जाएगा. Henceforth for anything, everything for that boy, we'll take it. तज़मीम मैडम बहुत बच्चों को भेजती है. एक जुनैद पाशा के गोरी पाल्या का बच्चा था, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल का बच्चा. तो that boy came to me because in one of the event I was speaking because Mawlana Maqsood Imran had requested me to speak to few students in CMA school. So they had brought government school students also to sit on the floor and listen to me. That boy also listened to my speech and he completed his 10th, some 80% and after the 10th he came to me, wanted, and I asked what is happening, why that one person without any slippers, टूटा चप्पल था, कपड़े फटे हुए थे, बहुत बूढ़ा आदमी आ रहा है, लंगड़ते लंगड़ते, बच्चा साथ में लेके आ रहा है, बच्चा तंग कर दिया, यहाँ पे पढ़ना है बोल गया, मतलब क्या पढ़ना है, बच्चा तुम बोले कहते डॉक्टर बनाते हैं बोल के, कैसा बनाते हैं कि एक पीछा पड़े लेके आओ बोल के, मैं आ गया यहाँ पे, क्या करते हैं करो बोल के, I can't do anything, what is that I have to do, my fees is this much, how can you afford that, हमारे पास कैसा पैसे है, हमारे पास क्या है. So I sent somebody to check his background. So he lives on the footpath, literally on the footpath. जब बारिश आती है तो you know what happens on the footpath. कोई भी नहीं है. And somehow I sent that I called as to the people to check if there anybody can do anything. And that boy was very eager. I said, let me do whatever I can. But suddenly that boy stopped coming. I checked what happened. I was told that the father, who was the only guy, who was only one member, he passed away. So the boy studied with me only for 10 days and he's dropped out. Then I sent, mother had kept a condition that I will send the boy out to your school provided I get 100 rupees back at the evening. In return, 100 rupees. See, the story doesn't end there. The story starts from there. वो बच्चा जिसकी जिंदगी में कोई दूसरा, there is no other possibility which he could imagine in his life. That boy started believing. My teachers came to me and started telling me. They never actually questioned my judgment. So because I'm very dictated, some kind of एक बहुत strict management चलाता हूँ. But one teacher came to me, sir, what are you doing? You expect this boy to sit in this class who does not understand English, who don't know what we are saying, what doesn't know basics of mathematics, he doesn't know biology, nothing. I want this boy to study. I want this boy to become doctor. My teacher started laughing at me and then left. Then I told, I have this boy, I said, nobody is believing in you, but I believe in you. And I told him, no matter the whole world says that you cannot do it, you should believe that you are going to do it. 2023 का NEET का result आया this year, just last month. Can you imagine what is the score in NEET? 642 marks. Can you imagine where will he study? He will study in number 1 medical college of Karnataka, Bangalore Medical College. Free seat मिलेगी बच्चे को. जहाँ पे if you want to take admission with 10 crore rupees in your time, he will not be able to get an admission. What am I talking about? See, ये मतलब एक दो स्टोरी, मैं अनगिनत स्टोरी बोल सकता हूँ. मैं because I have seen lives changing, families changing, मैं एरिया चेंज होता है देखा हूँ मैं. I have seen what is the possibility of education, वो जो power of education. एक घर में एक बच्ची को मैं पहले पढ़ाया, लेकिन 10,000 तनख्वाह है, मतलब जामा मस्जिद के अपोजिट there is one Milia hostel is there. Father works there for 10,000 rupees, Milia hostel. बच्ची के एडमिशन के लिए लेके आए. I said, what is who is that standing next to that next to you? मेरा बेटा है. तो बच्ची का एडमिशन करने में बच्चा क्या करेगा? नहीं, एक ही को पढ़ा सकता हूं मैं. मतलब मैं दोनों का एडमिशन एक ही कंडीशन में दूंगा, दोनों का एडमिशन होगा यहाँ पे, एक ही फीस में दोनों को पढ़ाऊंगा. That girl studied, she became doctor. That boy studied, he became doctor. He had a youngest daughter who studied with me. They also became doctor. He had 3 children, all 3 are doctors now. अब्बा की तनख्वाह कितनी है? 10,000 से 12,000 हुई बस. But what happened in the family? You can't imagine. वो family is no more now. गरीब नहीं होगा. एक one medical seat costs 1.5 crore rupees today, 1.2 crore rupees minimum. ऐसे you name anybody, आप तनी संग्रह के मेन रोड पे जाएंगे, वहां पे एक मदरसा मंसूरा दिखेगा, वहां पे एक उस्ताद जो पढ़ाते रहते, उनके घर पे पहले एक बच्चा आया मेरे पास अरबी पढ़ाने वाले. First the child came, he studied in Bengaluru Medical College. Second the child came, he studied in King's Medical College. वही मदरसे में जो कैंटीन चलाते हैं खजरत, जो आंध्रा से आए हैं, he sells that Italy and all that for the madrasa children. First the daughter came, she studied, she became doctor. Son came, he is in MNC doing an engineering, finished engineering, working in MNC. Son came, became doctor. The daughter came, became doctor. 4 बच्चे हैं, all are successful now. लेकिन उसी इंस्टीट्यूशन के जो ओनर हैं, जो मदरसा चलाते हैं, जो फंड करते हैं, डोनर, he came to me with all the devastation. मेरा बच्चा फेल हो गया 12th में सब के. He was studying in very good institution, everything was fine, but my child failed in 12th. I said, it does not matter what you are, what your children do, that matters. एक घर में ऐसे कई घरों को देखता हूं मैं, एक घर में 5 बच्चे हैं, 5 के 5 डॉक्टर हैं, एक घर में 4 बच्चे हैं, 4 के 4 डॉक्टर हैं. That is the possibility. किसी एक को पहले आगे आना पड़ेगा. First one person has to come forward. What am I talking about? You have to start dreaming big.
My father used to say, don't depend on the wealth. My grandfather owned 48,000 acres of tea estate. But all the family members sat and ate and finished off the wealth. My father said, my children will not sit and eat the wealth. My father gave us the education, the weapon which created us. Allah was very kind and merciful to us. My elder brother to the youngest of me, we all educated, and I did my MBA in Switzerland, in Lausanne. That is when I realized how precious is this education. I must congratulate all of you who are blessed, who are winning scholarships through an organization which is helping you to study and to do better. I, as a person, I worked 40 years in the Middle East. I earned a lot of money. But only thing I did in my life was, wherever I could help somebody get a job, I got them a job. I selected anybody who came to me, they said, we are not doing well. I said, don't worry, education is a responsibility we will support. We won't look for caste, color, religion. I was a group CEO for a company which we started, and we grew the company to $685 million worth of a company. I used to sit on the board of people who were educated from IIM, IIT, and I used to always think why I did not study that further. Today, I and my son created a company in Bangalore. We have hired an IIM, IIT from Ahmedabad to be our consultant to grow this company. We are growing, and we need to help our community. Tazino and all the co-members here, I would offer this to you all. You are giving best of education, but get them some campus selections, get them where they want to go. If you want any help, my son and my company are there. We will open our doors to your organization, and we'll tell you in administration, in accounts, if you want to become a home baker, you want to become an entrepreneur, please trust us and come to us. We will pay you, we'll look after you, and we'll protect you. And today this company, which my son and I started 3 years back, we have a strength of 163 people working with us. 163 families are looked after. It is not any miracle we have done. This is a gift of Allah to us,
And what we have done today is we have recruited only talents. Whoever wanted to work, earn their livelihood, we are there to help you all. I was touched by Mr. Udaan. I used to always tell, don't do BDA, don't do BA, don't do BDM. Apply for all the administrative positions in India. IPS, IAS, these are the positions where we are not there. Where we have talents, but we don't know what to take, which career to adopt. What are you doing? BCom. What are you doing? BA, MBA. No. Choose the career. Mr. Subhan, I salute you. You are not here, but I never heard somebody like you who has helped to achieve the students and reach the students to that level. I would tell you, all of you, you are so lucky. You are so lucky that you are taken care of by Tazayun Umar. Blessed are her parents. Blessed are her parents who have given birth to a child of her caliber. She has created history in our community. I am proud of you, Tazayun. May Allah bless you.
How we did this was pure hard work. It was very difficult for us to create something with the ingredients not being available. And a lot of people, when I was coming and setting this up, they said, it's going to be very difficult to make a very good croissant and everything. But I believed with even the staff that we had, we did not have any French chefs. We brought in people who trained the local people to create something. Many people who joined us as housekeeping staff are today croissant makers and at the baker. It's unbelievable how we are able to compete with some of the best brands around the world through the people that we have trained in-house. So we welcome all of you to come visit our factory, see what we have created. It's state of the art. We have created, we brought in the best equipment. And like they said, education doesn't stop. If you guys want to learn how to make a good croissant, how to bake a good cake, please come over and join us. Thank you. 100%. I would love to welcome all of you. Bread, croissants, eclairs, muffins, cupcakes, everything. We can teach you. In a class of 3 hours, we can really do something and pass some knowledge to you all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good afternoon to all of you present here today. As all good things have to come to an end, so does our program today. It has indeed been a pleasure to have all the students here, my dear trustees, the volunteers, the donors and our guests. I thank each one of you for making our event a great success. I would like to mention especially the volunteers who helped in the interview process, Taleem and Yusuf. Thank you. A big hand of applause. We had a complete interview session last Sunday where we interviewed more than 200 students and selected these. I would also like to thank everybody who has donated to Humane Touch Trust, especially the regular donors from the day we have started, and all my team members who have supported me, have had trust in me, and have encouraged all my ventures. Thank you so much. And a candle does not lose its brightness by passing on the light to others. I pass on the light to the next generation, Aman and Amina, and I hope you take Humane Touch to our next level and help more to humanity. Thank you. Please come up, Amina and Aman. And I would also invite more youngsters to join Humane Touch like Tayyab and Faraz, and encourage the others also to join and become trustees of Humane Touch Trust. Thank you.
we're taking up. So the minimum criteria is above 70% in some cases, but our hard stop is at 70%. So it should be above 70% of the process. After the first shortlist, we were able to interview all these students, and in that process, again, we filtered students based on their interpersonal skills, their communication. Then we would like to encourage them further and not make them and not disqualify them just basis of one set of marks. First, I will introduce Mr. Rajiv Gowda, and then we can request him to please address the audience. So, Professor Rajiv Gowda is a PhD from an alumnus of the St. Joseph's University, and continues to be part of the board, advising them in their transition to becoming.
We don't have to follow the traditional Bengaluru path of engineering or medicine, and you can actually explore so much. The world is just full of opportunity today. And if you say, where will I pick up all this knowledge? The internet again. And promoted something called mentoring. Okay, mentoring is where someone who's already succeeded in a place and support and just counseling when necessary, etc. So while I got to she set up an organization, her name is Arundhati Gupta. She set up an organization called Mentor Together, which works with, especially every one of us should have in our lives. In corporate world they call it corporate coaching and things like that. But all of us need mentors. I think back in 2004 when I knew, and he said, "You want to contest the Lok Sabha? Go back and work on the ground." Great suggestion. I followed it. He didn't tell me that your close friend, he would have been a minister by now during 116 term. Who knows, right? Instead, I was working on the ground, got the line ticket.
350 list to a list of 120 students that we are offering today. In addition to this, you will also have a second set of scholarships with many students who are not eligible towards the same. Moving on, BSc, we have Shaista Manu at Hasanat College. By the stage.
Somehow it just by Josh, because I tried doing something. That is, I wanted to make sure that everybody can dream. Everybody should believe that they can achieve, their children can achieve something. Who wants it to become IITian? आज बच्चा IITian है. How does it make a difference? You trust me. एक एरिया से चेंज होगा, then there will be competition. आज के घर में हमारे घर में क्या competition है? That उन्होंने वो शादी दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए हम लोग करते हैं, हमारे नेचर में आ गया है. Let's compete for something. वही एरिया जहाँ से मैं शुरुआत करता था, people used to laugh at me. My father would, everybody used to tell family members that I'm wasting my time and my resources because I did not have much resources. कि मैं बच्चों को UPSC बच्चे को बोला, वो बच्चा जोर से रोना शुरू किया क्लास के अंदर. मैं वो भी डॉक्टर, यकीन मानो, I was gifted that boy.
Aisha Siddiqa is the Abbas Khan Degree College for Women. Sheikh Afnan, St. Joseph's University. Umme Ayman. Is Kuratulain here? Kuratulain B is Abdunasa. Samreen Taj. Mursaleen.
Sir, second late करो.
Sharmeen Banu.
Wait.
Ari Suha Tarneem. Joseph Arul Raj at St. Joseph's University. Joseph, in fact, has come back to us for the second year repeatedly for the round of applause for Joseph Arul Raj. Sheikh Nawaz Akhtar. We have Sakina Ayman. We have Anam Khan, again person at Mount Carmel College.
Thank you.
Sure. Right after the BCom, we have 10 students. BCom, we have Mehnaz Fatima. Umme Hania. Uzaifa Begum. Uzaifa Begum is not here. Ummul Qura. No. Maria Sada.
That is our commitment. Assalamu alaikum.
Stage to hand over token of appreciation to the Harun Zaid family.
ग्रुप में आओ नहीं कम इन ग्रुप
Are you here, Sumaya? We will do an online transfer for your fund. Because it's St. Joseph, we'll do an online transfer. You can check on Friday. Yeah.
Okay, now everyone put out, you all put your hands in the right. Loudly, come on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you so much.